applications of the sine rule. A lot of the word problems for the sine rule are going to come with situations where you're given two angles and one distance. So this one, for example, two fire spotting towers are 15 kilometers apart. Tower A directly east of Tower B. And they're 15 kilometers apart. A bushfire is visible on a bearing of 324 degrees true from A. Anytime you're given a bearing, draw a compass rose at that point. 324 degrees true says past 270, so all the way around there. Here is this bushfire. And a bearing of 52 degrees true from B. So I've been given this angle here of 52. I'll have to subtract that from 90 to get this angle of 38 degrees. Here I've got an angle all the way around of 324 degrees. You do have two options. You could do 324 take away 270 just to get this angle in here, or 360 minus 324 to get this angle, and then take that from 90 to get this one. Let's reduce our working a bit. 324 take away that 3 lots of 90 around there, 270. I've got an angle of 54 degrees in here. So your first step is always to draw your diagram, and if, remembering definitely compass roses anytime you've got a bearing. If you're feeling like your diagram is a little bit crowded, then after that draw just the triangle with the angles inside the triangle only. And it becomes much easier to work with. Now, which tower is closest to the fire? So I've got B and A, and I just labelled the fire F because you can actually have any letters in the sine rule. It doesn't have to be A, B and C. Now, which tower is closest to the fire? This relies on the rule that the longest side of a triangle is opposite the largest angle, and the shortest side of a triangle is opposite the smallest angle. So we can find this angle in here, 180 minus 38 minus 54. Not that we needed to, actually. Because all we want to know is this side shorter or is this side shorter? Smaller angle, larger angle. Larger angle is opposite the longer side, shorter angle is opposite the shorter side, so tower A is closer. So I don't need to find this distance to compare, I just need to find side B, and I'll have answered the distance of tower A to the fire. So we label our triangle. I've got angle B and side B, angle F, so I need that now, and side F. So I want to find side B, that means it's B over sine B equals F over sine F. You could have called this C if you wanted to, that's okay. Substitute your values. B over sine of 38 degrees is 15 over sine of 88. Rearrange, I've got B divided by sine 38, I need to move this up to here. And that's 15 sine 38 degrees on sine of 88 degrees. B is 9.24 kilometers because we were measuring in kilometers, and because it was a word question, a word answer, tower A is closer and is 9.24 kilometers from the fire.